So if you're having problems with Valorant here and your screen is freezing and you're not having fun here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do to solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you're running Valorant here in administrator mode. So how do you exactly do that? Well, typically what you need to do is you want to look for where Valorant is actually located. So look for Valorant here. If I click on it, you want to go and choose the open file location. And in here, what we need to do is you want to go and look for Riot Games. Go to Riot Games here, look for Valorant. But in my case, I actually saved this in a different disk. So if you save this on a different disk, go and just access that. So this is Valorant. Let's go open it up. Look for live. And look for Valorant.exe. Right click on it. And you want to go and choose the option here that says properties. Now inside properties, you want to go ahead and just go to compatibility. And you want to go and just make sure that disable full screen optimization is actually turned on. Click on apply. Okay. And that should immediately solve your issue. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do is you want to make a few changes in your PC. So first things first is you want to go to your display settings. So right click on your desktop here. Go to display settings. Under display settings, you want to go and scroll down a bit. Look for the option that says graphics at the very bottom. Go ahead and open it up. In here, you want to go and just choose advanced graphics settings. And you want to look for hardware auxiliary GPU scheduling. Now you want to turn this off. Once you have this turned off, you want to go and just start your PC and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't work for you, the next thing that you may want to do here is you want to change a bit of your graphic settings, but not what we just did before. It's kind of different. So what we need to do is you want to go to your search bar at the very bottom. Just type in system properties. Look for view advanced system settings. Now you want to go to performance, click on settings, and inside this window you want to go and just disable a few things. Now I would recommend you to choose the option that says adjust for best performance, especially if your PC is not that strong or your GPU is not that strong. You want to choose advanced for adjust for best performance, but if you want, you can go and just choose custom. Now in here you can go ahead and choose disable a few things, like if you want the disabling animations would be a great idea. Also use drop shadows for icon labels and desktop. Disabling this could actually help a lot as well. So disable anything that that doesn't bother you, and this will save up on memory. Honestly, this will help a lot. And yeah, so also if you're playing Valorant, I would highly recommend you to close any window that you're not using. Like if you're using like multiple browsers or you're playing apps in the background, go ahead and close that as well, so that you save up on memory and your PC or your computer or your laptop is actually just focusing on Valorant only. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.